You just said that on the camera. Laura wants balls.
Zoltar the Great Gypsy is here to give you ancient wisdom for your happiness. Pay attention now. Men of genius are admired. Men of wealth are envied. Men of power are feared. But only men of character are trusted. And you know, it never hurts to bribe your friends on sometimes. For example, give me a bit more cash and I will give you your fortune.
What a dick. There's some stuff in the back. Some stuff here. Read it. Dude, yours is longer. Yo, it's the big. I wish to be big. I should have wished to be skinny. That would have been better.